Solving equation question 1. 3 times x plus 3 equals to 2x plus 2. So first we have to expand this one. 3x plus 9 equals to 2x plus 4. Now we will subtract both sides by 2x, so we can write 3x minus 2x, and also subtract both sides by 9, so this plus 9 and minus 9 out, and here is a 2x minus 2x out, and here is a 4 minus 9. So 3x minus 2x equals to x, 4 minus 9, it will be minus 5, and this is our answer. So number 1 done. Number 2, 3 times x plus 3 equals to 2x minus 2. So this one first we have to expand. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 9, 3 times 3 9, 2x minus 4. Then 3x minus 2x equals to minus 4 minus 9. 3x minus 2x, it will be x, minus 4 minus 9, it will be minus 13. Number 2 done. Number 3, 3 times x minus 3 equals to 2 times x minus 2. So first we can write 3x minus 9 equals to 2x minus 4. Then 3x minus 2x equals to minus 4, and this minus 9 become plus 9. Therefore x equals to minus 4 plus 9, result is 5, and this is our answer. So same math, almost same math, become 3 result, because first part plus 9 and here is a plus 4, second part here is a minus 9 and minus 4, and another one is a plus 4 minus 4. So number 3 done. Question 4, 2x plus 2 divide 3 equals to x minus 3 divide 2. So we can make cross multiplication. So 2 times 2x plus 2 equals to 3 times x minus 3. So here is a 4x plus 4, and here is 3x minus 3 times 3 is a 9. Now 4x minus 3x equals to minus 9, and this plus 4 become minus 4. So 4x minus 3x equals to x, and here is a minus 13. This is our answer. Number 5, 2x plus 2 divide 4 equals to x minus 3 divide 3. So cross multiplication, you can write 3 times 2x plus 2 equals to 4 times x minus 3. Then it will be 6x plus 6 equals to 4x minus 12. Now we can write 6x minus 4x equals to minus 12 minus 6. Then 6x minus 4x, it will be 2x, and minus 12 minus 6, it will be minus 18. Now we can divide both sides by 2, then x equals to minus 9. This is our answer. Question 6, 3x minus 2 divide 3 equals to 2x minus 3 divide 4. So 4 times 3x minus 2 equals to 3 times 2x minus 3. Just cross multiplication. Then 12x minus 8 equals to 6x minus 9. Now 12x minus 6x equals to minus 9 plus 8. Then it will be 6x equals minus 1. Now we can divide both sides by 6, so x equals to minus 1 by 6. Question 7. 2x to the power 3 equals to 54. Now we can divide both sides by 2, so x cube equals to 27. Now we can write x cube, and this 27 will be 3 to the power 3. We know once base are same, that time power will be equal, and here power will be same, therefore the base will equal. We can write x equals to 3. Very simple. So 7 done. Question 8. 4x to the power 4 equals to 64. So this one we can write or divide both sides by 4. So x to the power 4 equals to 16. Now look, x to the power 4 and here is a 2 to the power 4. Therefore we can write x equals to 2, right? So number 8 done. Number 9. This is last question of this video. 9 x to the power 4 by 2 equals to 8. So we can multiply both sides by 2. So x to the power 4 equals to 16. Now x to the power 4 equals to 2 to the power 4. Here power are equal, therefore base will be same. It means x equals to 2. This is our answer. So after this video we are trying to solve 9 math algebraic expression. This is very important for any kinds of competitive examination. So please subscribe my channel if you think this channel is helping you. Thank you.